Nike LeBron 23 continues its milestone storytelling with the bold LeBronto edition, honoring a defining playoff moment from LeBron James. During the 2018 Eastern Conference semifinals, James delivered a dramatic buzzer beater against the Toronto Raptors, sealing Game 3 and reinforcing his dominance over the franchise. That performance inspired this latest colorway, dressed in Silt Red, black, and metallic copper with a shimmering crown graphic across the lower half. A fossil-inspired emblem on the spine nods to the LeBronto nickname that followed his postseason success. Performance remains the priority. The engineered mesh upper promotes breathability and flexibility, while synthetic overlays add structure and durability. A foam midsole works with a Nike air cushioning unit for impact protection and energy return. Underfoot, a durable rubber outsole provides reliable traction. DPU heel support enhances stability and containment. Release details are expected soon via Nike channels.